Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Febrianti Ardia Widyasuti. I'm from B2 class and I will give a presentation about anxiety disorders. The topic that I will discuss is about anxiety, types of anxiety, the symptoms of anxiety, causes of anxiety, risk factor of anxiety, and treatment of anxiety. The first is about anxiety. Anxiety is a normal emotion. It's your brain's way of reacting to stress and alerting you of potential danger ahead. Anxiety disorders, they are a group mental illness that cause constant and overwhelming anxiety and fear. For example, you may worry faced with a problem at work before taking a test. The second is types of anxiety. The first one is social. Social anxiety disorders are called social phobia. This is when you feel overwhelming worry about everyday social situations. And the second is phobias. So specific phobias, you feel intense fear of a specific object or situations such as height or flying. And agoraphobia, you have an intense fear of being in a place where it seems hard to escape or get help if an emergency occurs. For example, you may panic or feel anxious when on an airplane, public transportation, or standing in line with a crowd. And then panic. The third is anxiety disorder symptoms. Panic, fear, and uneasiness, feeling of panic, doom, and danger, and phobias. The fourth is causes. The first one is genetics. Anxiety disorders can run in families, and then medical conditions, some heart, lung, and thyroid conditions can cause symptoms similar to anxiety disorders or make anxiety symptoms worse. And then environmental stress. The fifth is risk factor. The first is history of mental health disorders. Having another mental health disorders like depression raises your risk for anxiety disorders. And childhood sexual abuse, emotional, physical, and sexual abuse during childhood is linked to anxiety disorders later in life. And then trauma. Living through a trauma even increase the risk of post-traumatic stress disorders, which can cause panic and attack. And then diagnosis or diagnostic. The first one is nervousness, anxiety, shaking, fainting. Is anxiety disorders treatment like psychotherapy, CBT, or cognitive behavioral therapy, and then medication. That's all from me. Sorry for the mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.